Meanwhile, in another case, an application for certiorari brought before the Supreme Court by Anas was today dismissed by the 5-member justices of the Supreme Court, basically because they felt the ruling of the High Court must be upheld, and hence Anas's case was dismissed.
As you witnessed in court, this was an application called certiorari. It's a prerogative writ, praying for another to set aside the judgment of the High Court, a 70-page judgment on the basis of what? Bias, and without jurisdiction. A court of competent jurisdiction, such as the High Court, has delivered a 70-page judgment, and you bring such a frivolous application here before this court. I mean, so what the court did was in the right direction. Simplicity dismissed the application. If you heard what the court said, they said by a majority decision. So let's wait, and then when we are finished with a copy of the entire ruling, hopefully by Monday, I believe all of us can have the opportunity and time to dissect. You know, the Supreme Court has supervisory jurisdiction over the High Court. So what he basically brought here was that the court, General Jurisdiction 11, the judgment which was delivered by that court was done without jurisdiction. And for me, it doesn't make sense. This is a public interest law. So that's the reason why I use the word, may I be entitled to cost. And most of the time, you know, Kennedy Agyapong is a person who will always waive costs. So I believe the judges also took that into consideration, because he has said it time and time that, you know, even the cost which was awarded in the High Court, he said, look, let's forget about that cost. I don't need the money. I came to court to seek justice for those who have been done wrong by us.
My name is Fred Duho, reporting from the Supreme Court of Ghana for Citi News.